The innate immune system is made up of defenses against infection that can be activated immediately once a pathogen attacks. So, what exactly does this look like? How is the innate immune system really working? The skin and other epithelial surfaces, including those lining the lung and gut, provide a physical barrier between the inside of the body and the outside world. If the pathogen crosses the physical barriers of the body needs to be alerted to the presence of potential harmful pathogens. This is achieved through specialized receptors known as pattern recognition receptors. Pattern recognition receptors are proteins found in the cells of the immune system that recognize pathogen-associated molecular patterns. Binding of a PAMP to the PRR activates a cascade of signaling events within a cell that lead to its activation. There are two main classes of PPRs that recognize viral PAMPs. These are called toll-like receptors and Rig-I-like receptors. TLRs and RLRs induce the expression of cytokines, small proteins that are secreted and cause effects within target cells by binding their cytokine receptors. Cytokines are molecules that are used for cell signaling or cell-to-cell communication. They can be used to communicate with neighboring or distant cells about initiating an immune response. Cytokines are also used to trigger cell trafficking or movement to a specific area of the body. One subclass of cytokines is the interleukin. In addition with being released from cells after PAMP recognition, cytokines are released by the infected cells, which bind to nearby uninfected cells, inducing these cells to release cytokines, resulting in a cytokine burst. A second class of cytokines is interferons, which are released by infected cells as a warning to nearby uninfected cells. A function of interferons is to inhibit viral replication, making them particularly effective against viruses. Now it's time to discuss some of the cells that make up the innate immune systems. We're going to go over the main types. Essentially, macrophages seek out and engulf bacteria or any other pathogens in the body. Dendritic cells are antigen-presenting cells. Their main function is to process this antigen material and then present it to the cell surface. Additionally, dendritic cells are a link between the innate immune system and the adapted immune system as well.